Lot number 2142A is an apple. Here we have ourselves a 2000 Ski Doo MXZ 700. It is long tracked to a 136.25" track. Machine has no DPMS, has an MBRP can. The oil pump failed on the engine, so we are tearing this machine down into parts. If you need parts off this machine, give Mardo's Motorsports a call, 218-844-4968. Give lot number 2142A. The machine has 3,063 miles on the chassis. The engine is partially tore down because we had to inspect it. Here are all the parts, and there are more parts on the bench. Plastic skis, Cobra windshield. Thanks for stopping by.